Chapter 6. I have a reason why I was driving without insurance. Can I use this as a reason to defend and fight my charge? Well, the most common valid defense to a driving without insurance charge is that there was a mistake, that you did have valid insurance. And if you do have proof of a valid contract of insurance, then your charge will be withdrawn. Unfortunately, most excuses are not defenses because a driving without insurance charge is a public safety offense, and the lawmakers have made it very difficult to win these cases. That means most excuses, they won't get you off of this charge. So let's take a look. Excuse number 1. Someone else was driving my car. It was not me driving. The answer is no, this is not a defense. The law is very clear. If you own a vehicle, that vehicle must be insured. And it does not matter who is driving the vehicle. If the vehicle is not insured, then you will be charged with driving without insurance, even if you're not driving the vehicle. Excuse number 2, I was driving my car a really short distance, and no, this is not a defense. If your vehicle is not insured, then as long as that vehicle is not driven on a private road, then you will be found guilty of driving without insurance. The distance that you drove is not relevant. Even if it's just a few meters, the law is very clear on this. Excuse number 3, I was driving my vehicle home from the dealership or the person whom I bought the vehicle. And this is very common. Unfortunately, this is also not a defense, and you can see the logic above. Excuse number 4, if I get convicted, I can't afford to pay the insurance rate increases. I will not be able to afford insurance and earn money to feed my family. Again, this is not a defense. Many clients have to drive for work or for their families or for medical reasons, and paying expensive insurance premiums can be devastating to your personal and work life. However, the penalties for driving without insurance are severe for a reason, and the lawmakers want to send a very clear and strong message to the public that you have to follow the rules of the road. And if you don't follow the rules, then you will face serious consequences. Excuse number 5, I pay my insurance every month, but one of my payments didn't go through, and I didn't know that that the payment didn't make it to the insurance company. What do I do? And this is also not a defense. You, according to the law, are responsible for making sure your insurance payments are paid every month. If the payment did not get processed, it is your responsibility to make sure that all the payments go through. So the fact that you didn't get notice of your non-payment is not a defense in court. Excuse number 6, it was an emergency. I had to drive my vehicle, and this is also not a defense, and you can see the same logic above. Excuse number 7, my driving didn't hurt anybody. I don't understand, what is the big deal? Again, not a defense. The fact that no one was hurt has no legal meaning, and you can see the logic above. Excuse number 8, I didn't commit a crime. The penalties are just crazy. Again, not a defense. Yes, the penalties are severe because the lawmakers want responsible drivers on the road. And for those people that do not drive responsibly, the law will punish them appropriately.